Hi everyone, this is my first video in English, so excuse me about my pronunciation and my bad English, okay? So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive in Python code that interacts with YouTube videos using Pytube library, this one, okay? First, we import the Pytube library like this, okay? Then you create a YouTube object by providing the URL of the video we want to work with, like this, okay? And then we bypass the age gate if there is an age restriction on the video, like this, but in this case we don't have a need, okay? Next we bring out the valuable caption tracks for the video, like that. So in this point we not need this sentence, okay? So we also print the number of different strings available for the video, which represent different qualities and formats, okay? But to work this code, we need to put this sentence here, because this command made the work in this code, okay? So we start in recapitulando this information. We start to improve in the Python library, and then you create an object like this, okay? If there's an age restriction on the video, we use the bypass gate or age gate method to bypass it. We then print out the valuable caption tracks using YouTube.caption tracks. This show us the different languages options for subtitles. So for this example, we debug the code. So when they start the code, the program try to get information about the YouTube video. This is the caption. The caption bring the languages disponible for this video. Here we have the JSON captions and she's XML captions, okay? So when we create this variable YouTube.captions is the information about captions, disponible captions, okay? So when here we have the length YouTube streams. The next point is a caption about languages disponible in English auto-generate. And lastly, we select the English caption track and generate its subtitle in SRT format using the generate SRT caption method. We then print out the subtitles like that. So this is result, okay? But in this example we need to do some modification about the caption byte, okay? Because this definition is not working in the original version from Pytube, okay? This code here fixed the problems when you try to to use this function. Okay. So to conclusion, that's it. We have successfully explaining and execute Python code to interact with YouTube videos using Pytube. Feel free to experiment with different videos and explore more functionalities of the Pytube library. Okay. If you need more information, in the description video, you need all that you need. You have all that you need. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my tutorial on Python programming and the other tech-related content. Okay. See you in the next video.
Are you listening? Damn.